Just look at the attention to this detail. It kind of looked camouflage, guys. That's crazy. I finally acquired some Yutos. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to do an in-depth review in 4K on the Yuto, I'm not going to try that last name, Nike SB Dunks Matcha. And I'm not a fan of Starbucks. I'm not there mixing and matching and frapping and all that stuff. But this looks just like some matcha frap green tea situation. He does this the best, man. The first pair he came out with, the pair he came out with a couple of years ago, gray with a little bit of pink. I didn't hit, and when I was going to get it for like resale, I felt like it was too high for just a gray dunk. But patience, and I finally got something, man. I really like these. I know the resale value is looking different. This is a fire shoe. Hit the B-roll. Horigome? Did I get that right? Give me a thumbs up. Horigome? I'm not sure, man. But yeah, man, it is an SB, but it's a little different than your regular SB. Yuto always does this the best. You know we don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it's part of that purple SB box. I can never figure out when they decide to do purple, when they decide to do the new chrome grayish. I don't know, man, but you get the purple box here, and it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Asparagus Legion Green. So we saying matcha, but asparagus is actually the green. Flip open the lid, and your SB paper is green. I asked a million times in a million different SB videos why sometimes it's green, when sometimes it's gray. No one answers, so I'm going to do my research myself and I'll get back to y'all. Nike SB glow in the dark sticker. They becoming supreme all of a sudden. And let's get it. Yes, sir, man. Here's a 360 view of the right side of the matcha, asparagus, forest, whatever you want to think of it, man. So let's start here, of course. That's Yuto's logo. That's a family emblem, if I can remember, man. That's like passed down from its family. Super dope. I like it, man. Y'all see that matcha asparagus creeping in, man, on a slow stroll. Toe box. Hard. Nubuck suede, but firm Nubuck suede. Not the soft one. Very hard there, man. Pause. Around it, you get your asparagus Yuto look, man, with the dots. Let's see. Soft. This is soft. This is buttery soft material, guys. Around it, let's come in here. I like that inside, man. It looks like it's soft, but actually, you hear it. Very hard to touch, guys. I read something about some, oh no, that's not that. Here, they actually use bamboo. Nike actually used bamboo here. As you can hear that too. But here, I don't know what kind of material they use, but it's not soft, but it looks soft. And it actually still goes light to dark, which is crazy on a hard surface. You get a nice green leather swoosh there. Back to that bamboo. That's all the way around. They said they actually use bamboo fibers for this, guys. Nike logo here. My favorite Nike logo I know is like plain basic. I just love that logo, guys. Your asparagus or matcha creeps back in. That actually goes light to dark too, man. Super dope. Here's the inside of the right shoe. Yeah, that's hard, guys. Looks just like the out though. Let's get to the tongue. You get a fat Nike SB tongue, but I read somewhere that it's not as fat as regular SB. So keep that in mind. But it looks kind of big here to me, man. Behind it, you get that Yuto logo again. The front, it's like a neutral color here. I guess you could just say white, but it looks a little more different than white there, guys. On your shoelaces, it comes laced in that matcha green with the forest green tips here. Looks carbon fiber, got some kind of design on it. Let's try to get this to focus. Got some kind of design on it, but it comes with that pink again. What made that gray pair so dope, and then that neutral color again that the tongue is. It's not white, it's not gray, it's not off-white. It's like a light beige, guys, but it matches perfect. I would go with the pink just to give it some pop. If I don't, just leave the green on it. These are different, man. I like these insoles here. This is a different insole, guys. You got your Nike SB logo, the Yuto logo, but it's like on a box. I really like that look. And the bottom is green and pink, which I like. I feel like they should have kind of put some pink somewhere up here again. I guess they didn't want to replica the first one, but that pink is hitting. And then you got the like the recycled look at the bottom. That's why you get the paint splatters. Just look at the attention to this detail. It kind of look camouflage, guys. That's crazy. The bottom though, you get your regular SB bottom white. And then the green recycle hits at the bottom. This is the left shoe, by the way, guys. We got to talk about the sock liner. It is an SB. You get that extra material technology there for the skateboarders. This sock liner is soft, guys. It's soft, man. UNBOX suede, but it ain't hard like this. This is soft in here, guys. Yeah, and from right to left, nothing's changed, man. Everything adds up. Let me check the back. Yeah, the back still has the logo, and then you get Nike SB on the tongue, of course. Yes, sir. So retail $135, Gold StockX about $200 to $230 depending on your size. So the resale's not crazy. It is if you're a reseller, you're still getting $100 over retail. But for Yuto, you're thinking $350, $400 before it dropped, and it just didn't do that. I'm kind of happy Nike are giving more pairs, or it's just that it's so much heat out that I don't know, man. You got to pick and choose. Nike SBs just did a scratch and sniff situation. I got a pair coming, but I'm not a fan of Nike SB4s, man. But I'm an SB fan, so I at least had to get them in. Nike made them available, which I'm happy, so I had to buy them. But it's just so much heat coming out that I feel like these are being slept on. They all sold out, so we got to figure out how it's going. I got the shirt to match, so you know this is a keeper for me, man. Matter of fact, let's get into the shirt. We got it. We might as well get into it, man. Straight from the Nike app. This was the only place I seen you could get the shirt, so I'm happy I got it. When sneakers come out with merch, if I really like the merch, I go for the merch first, and then I go for the sneakers. That's my way of psyching it out that Nike's going to let me get it. You be real bummed out when you get the merch and you don't get the sneaker, man. Now you got to pay resale. True to size medium. You got the Nike bag, Nike tag. Materials A1 is Nike, man. You also get the SB on the tag. I like that. But here's the Yuto tee, man. Got the Yuto logo on the front. Then in the back, you got his heritage, man. I like the tee because it gives you that tie-dye look. Like you got white spots all over it, like it's been bleached up, man. So this is a dope tee, man. But y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this sneaker, and did you cop? I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.